welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a snow globe. So go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our snow globe pictures. The first thing we want to do is we want to draw a pretty big circle here. And this will serve as the globe part of our snow globe. From here, we're going to add the base underneath of this globe part. So we're going to come down here towards the bottom of our circle and do 2 diagonal lines, 1 and 2. And we're going to connect these 2 lines with a slightly curved line for the bottom of that base. Okay, so that's the outer part of our snow globe here. Now we get to add the inside fun stuff. So we're going to create a mound of snow inside here. And we're going to be placing a snowman on top of this mound of snow. He's going to be made up of 2 parts. We'll start with the bottom. 1. And 2. All right, we're going to put 2 eyes. 1, 2. We'll make a little carrot nose. And we're just going to use 3 dots for the snowman's mouth. 1, 2, 3. We'll use a series of lines to make 2 arms with 2 little fingers there. We'll do that same thing on the other side. Now for the snow effect in our snow globe, we're going to do 2 things. First is a layer of circles for snow texture here. So I want this to look like the snow globe was just shaken up and there's snow flying everywhere. You want to try to avoid putting these circles in any type of pattern. You want it to look very random, like this snow globe has just been shaken up. And we also want to add a few starburst shapes here to make it look like the shapes of some snowflakes. And that just adds an extra layer of detail here, and they're really fun to draw. So you can place these anywhere and everywhere. You can see that it is very snowy inside of this snow globe, and that is my favorite. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our snow globes. Now we get to add some color. So go ahead and grab your markers, colored pencils, crayons, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. illustrators, there we have our snow globe. The last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job on your snow globes today, illustrators. I hope that you all enjoyed yourself, and I'll see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!